I bet you didn't know that Copenhagen in May can be a bit unpredictable. Here's what you need to pack to stay ahead of the game. First off, layer up. With temperatures ranging from 8 to 17 degrees Celsius, bring light sweaters, long-sleeve shirts and t-shirts for those warmer afternoons. And don't forget a waterproof lightweight jacket. Rain is always a possibility. Comfortable walking shoes. Absolutely essential. Copenhagen is a pedestrian paradise. Toss in a scarf and light gloves for those chilly evenings. Next, travel essentials. Passport, travel insurance, and any IDs or visas. A mix of Danish krone and credit cards will keep you covered. And don't forget chargers and a Type K power adapter. Health-wise, pack antihistamines for spring allergies, pain relievers, and cold meds. Travel-sized hygiene products, including hand sanitizer, are a must. For local flavor, a reusable water bottle for that delicious tap water, a bicycle rental app, and either a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi. A small day pack and a guidebook or offline maps will round out your list. Ready for an unforgettable trip? Copenhagen awaits.